My name is Zack Ferguson, and I was born in a small island in the Caribbean called Saint-Lucia. And I'm here today to listen to the president of Rwanda. The lesson I learned yesterday was a very, very big one, because I also touched the president's hand, and when I did that, it felt like magic. And all the inspiration he gave me was to make sure that we're all brothers and sisters, and he is the father of this family. We've got elder brothers, which is the ministers, and they are our elder brothers of this family. And he said, how can we set an example if we're not setting an example? How can I go out to the world and let them know our family, we are good, if yet in our family people are not trying hard enough to be good? He wants us to be a family. How can we be a chain with such a beautiful country, link up together? When one is a little bit rusty, we clean it up. And he said, let him know the rusty chains so he can clean it up. He says, don't be ashamed, don't be shy. We are brothers and sisters. Come to me, come to me. Let me know so we could be strong and healthy. Because that's what he's living for. He's living for this nation. I have never heard a man talk so clean and pure from his heart. And I will follow him till the end. Thank you.